think we're recording. Good morning, Shaylee and Shyla. How are you? Good. What's your name? What's your name? Shyla. How old are you? Show me how old you are. Shyla, how old are you? 3? Are you 3 years old? Yeah? Do you guys want to help Tanya do a drawing this morning? Are you going to draw out some names for Tauntaun? Yes? Okay, you ready? Draw out a name. Okay. Hold on a second. Let's see who you have, Shaylee. Who do you have? Looks like BJ Williams. That's first place. Say yay, BJ. Okay, Shy, who do you have? Karen. Hold on, I can't read it. Evans Calhoun for second place. Yay! And who is this? Swirls Whispering wins for third place. Yay! Say, clap your hands. Say, good jobs.